how much do you think the bottle weighs?
20 grams.
200 grams.
200 grams.
330 ml, but half only. So let me ask you one more question. What would happen if I held it for a few minutes? Nothing, right? What would happen if I held it up for 5 minutes? Nothing. If I held it up for 1 hour, my arm would start aching, pain something. So what would happen if I held it up for 1 day, a complete day? My arm could go numb. Maybe my arm could go paralyzed. Maybe I need to hospital for sure. So what I need to do now? I want to ask one more question. Does the weight of the bottle has changes? No. So what caused the pain of my hand? Holding it for long time. Toastmaster of the day. Toastmasters. Good morning, Maneta.
Good morning.
Life's problems are similar to the body. We get stressed, we get worried. So many problems we need to face. So many challenges we need to face every day of our life. But the thing is, how long you are holding? If you hold it for a few minutes, in your head, this seems okay. If you hold it for a long time, then it starts making hurt to your mind. If you hold it for long more, something like 2 days or 3 days, then what will happen? You will completely, it will make miserable. And you are not able to do anything. You are not able to do anything. You can't start anything. So further, the problem, the worries, everything will be common, same. Whatever it came across at the initial stage, after sometimes also it will be the same stage. You won't change anything. The stress, how much you are taking, it will change. So for this, what we need to do, we need to develop a happiness. First of all, we need to find how we can be happy. If you got any problem or stress, first we need to be happy. How? The simple formula is here. We need to be simplicity. We need to focus on simplicity. The moment we focus on simplicity, we won't expect anything. Whenever we got a problem, instead of making some formula, no need to make any formula. Just like you need to make a decision like I need to be happy. Whatever the problem it is, whatever the worry it is, whatever the hate it is, whatever it may be, first thing what we need to do, we need to be happy. This decision you need to make, I need to be happy. So for this, what we need to do, we need to make a happiness habit. How this happiness habit will come? First of all, the process of removing or deleting this unhappiness habit is by replacing with happiness habit. Something like, we need to be strong and we need to clear what we are doing. We need to be very specific what we are going to do. So, we need to make goals. It's common. We need to make challenges. We need to face any kind of challenges. We need to face any kind of problem. The first of all, we need to set a goal, but this goal should not be forced. Like how exam we get forced. If we are getting exam, we need to be forced. Yeah, I need to make it ready. I need to do preparations and all like that. So any goal we set in our life, we should not be force it. Like we should not do anything force it. Like set it like automatic. You just need to focus on end goal. What is my end goal? What is my result? What is my end result? Maybe 5 years after 5 years or after 10 years, whatever it may be. You just focus on end result. But the life you should be automatically. The day is passing on. Today is gone. Tomorrow is gone. But you should not take any stress into your mind. And the third thing, you should not be afraid of making mistakes. So the problem when we make mistakes, we get experience. Either we get experience or either we get lesson. But don't be afraid of making mistakes. And the fourth thing is, you need to make everything like trial and error. Whenever we got problem, whenever we got something, what we need to do, just trial and error. Just apply trial and error. And the last thing is, you need to be trust. Like we need to be trust on us. Don't doubt be ourselves, like we should not doubt anything. First of all, we need to be trust. The moment we started making these kind of 5 goals or 5 parts, then one day we may lose our stresses, worries and all. I also get problems, like my personal experience, whenever I got the problem, I just like sing. So the moment I realized that my song is not worse than my problem, then I'll be like normal. What we need to do, so first of all, the day is passing. For example, you got in your office, like I go to the office every day, like so many hectic work, so many busy schedule and all. When I come back, before leaving from the office, what we need to do, we just need to put everything down. When we reach home, we should not think anything related to the work or stress. If anything friendly environment, you can share with them. But if anything related to stress and all, you just need to put down. The moment you put down, then you can sleep properly. The moment you sleep properly, the morning you can wake up very fresh, very enthusiastic. But the moment when you put on the same stress and gain, you sleep, again tomorrow it will become more. Again the second day, the same problem, it will become more and more and more. The third day it will become more. So what we need to do, we just need to put aside all the problems and worries and all. And we need to be always happy, and we must dry up all the discouragement, fear, worry, and this kind of all the negative thoughts. We should dry off and we should make positive thoughts. So when you start the day, don't forget to put the bottle down. Thank you.